So each Sunday, I will usually organize my entire week within my hourly planner and share it on my channel. I share my to-do list, the meetings that I have, the errands that I need to run, and so on. But in this video, I decided to take it a step further and discuss how I organize my day in my planner. So we're going to be taking it a little bit deeper and talking about what happens and how I organize my day when it is not going as planned. So it's Friday, November 24th, and I've just flipped open my planner to my daily section. This section is where I will keep my plan your day inserts that help me to readjust my entire day when I know it's not going to go as planned. Today, originally, I planned on waking up early and filming YouTube videos, but that just didn't happen. I was really tired, so I ended up sleeping in. So now we're going to readjust all of the things that I had originally planned on doing in my weekly hourly planner and just readjust them in my daily planner to actually fit what I'm actually going to do. I started off by adding a few stickers. These are the Disney stickers from Happy Planner, and I'm using them just to brighten up the spread. And then I am going to add to my planner what has happened so far. So I've already slept in and I didn't get up until 9 a.m. So I am just going to mark that off. Now, why would I do this? I like to do this because it really does help me to plan better in the future. Yesterday was a holiday and I hosted that holiday and had a lot of family over. So it was really unrealistic of me to think that I was going to be able to be very productive the very next day and wake up early. Marking it off in my daily planner helps me to plan better in the future and give myself a bit more rest the day after a holiday. The next thing that I'm going to do is add in all of the tasks that I had planned on doing in the morning and adding them under my to-do section so that as I am planning my day, I can schedule times for each one of these things. I already had a lunch scheduled with one of my friends, so I wanted to mark that off and just kind of give myself that block in order to go to lunch, spend time with her, and get back. And then in the evening or the afternoon is where I'm going to add in all of the tasks that I missed during my morning block. Now, my daily planner is a detailed look at my day. In this spot, I can be way more detailed on what exactly I got done, how long it took me, the tasks that I rearranged, what I ate that day, and almost anything else that I can think of. It's really like a diary of my day. So I will even jot down notes, things that I was thinking, my mood, my feelings. It really gets super specific in this planner. So usually with this planner, I am writing in it as I go. I will start off with my black pen and I will write down everything that I want to get done, rearrange it, and add in the new time frames that I want to get certain things completed. And then as I am going throughout my day, I will write in red and write in what I actually did, what specifics I needed to add in, how long it took me. All of that will go in here as well. And then that way, whenever I am looking back on this planner, I can really zone in on how productive I was, how much I got done, how long it took me, and all of the other details that help me to plan better in the future. So next I'm going to add everything that I've eaten so far this day. I didn't have breakfast because I did sleep in. And what I ate for lunch with my friend, I'm going to add that in what I plan on eating for dinner. And I don't plan on eating a snack today, so I'm just going to mark that off. But this entire process from start to finish took me about 15 minutes, and 5 of those minutes was really deciding on what stickers I was going to use for this particular spread. So this one is super simple. I always tell people if you are starting with the planning process and you've never organized your life before, you should definitely start with a daily planner. This process is really, really simple. It takes about 10 minutes to fill it out and for you to focus just on your current day. There is no monthly or weekly planning in this section. We are really just focused on today, which removes all of the anxiety that can come sometimes with the planning process. So now that I have shown you my daily planning process from start to finish, I would love to hear your thoughts. I feel like this planner is one of my more controversial ones. This one gets the most pushback because many people feel like this one is redundant and unnecessary. But I love this one because when I need it, I need it. And writing just works for my brain, even if I am rewriting something over and over and it feels redundant. So let's talk in the comments. Do you believe that planning your week and then planning your day is redundant, or do you like to do both? Let me know. And also remember that Vlogmas is coming up, and starting December 1st, I am going to be doing a series of 25 videos on how to organize your life and get prepared for 2024. We are going to be setting up our organization system on paper, family organizing, home organizing, routines and habits, and of course, money organization. This is one of my favorite series for the entire year, so I'm so excited to get started with you all. And until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.